I chruthú ceistena as gaeilge cuid a hain. One of the great things about Irish is, unlike other languages such as English and German, where the order of the sentence will change in questions, as gaeilge it remains the exact same. So use this to your advantage and make life way easier for yourself. Before going into phrase a question, think about what it is in statement form. So what do I mean by this? So let's look at an example such as what are you doing? Now, before messing about with the what or how it might link into the verb, it's going to be much easier if you just get it in statement form first. You are doing. Hopefully that's relatively clear. Thuairimse ag déanamh. Thuairimse ag déanamh for you are doing. After that, literally all I do is I add my question word and a little a in between the question word and the verb. So thuairimse ag déanamh, you are doing. Cad a thuairimse ag déanamh, what are you doing? Let's do another one. How does he speak? I'm just going to get he speaks firstly, liam.learnirishonline. Then I'm going to put my question word before and a little a in between. Chruthú a liam.learnirishonline. Chruthú a liam.learnirishonline. How does he speak? Last one. When will he come back? He will come back. Chuki sé arash. So cahan a chuki sé arash. When will he come back? Notice there how the a, as usual, is going to force a little h onto the next verb. This works for all the base question words except call. Call won't take a little a afterwards. Instead, it'll go straight onto the verb and it'll hit it with an erg. But thankfully, again, the sentence order remains the same. So if I say, where will he be going? I can get he will be going, by sé ag dul, and then it's going to be call my sé ag dul. Call my sé ag dul. They do the work, Jane and she done over, call Jane and she done over, where do they do the work? Lathu wadni smo, Jericho Silla show, be the wall, egg, patreon.com/learn Irish.